Top stories. Unknown miscreants burn Salungfam High School to ashes in Thawal. Lokchau Bridge on Imphal More Road restored. And KCP leader Nando still on the run, massive manhunt underway. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Unidentified miscreants torch a school in the wee hours today at Salungfam Maninglekai under Hairok Police Station of Thawal district. As per reports, Salungfam High School was burned to ashes by the miscreants around 12:30 am. 7 rooms including administrative block of the school were engulfed by the fire, which also destroyed important documents and computer sets. It has been estimated that properties worth around ₹30 lakh have been destroyed in the incident. 3 fire tender vehicles from Thawal and Yarikpo fire services were rushed to this spot and managed to save at least 3 rooms of the school. A team of Hairok Police Station led by its officer in charge came to the site and later registered a case over the fire incident. Headmaster of the school, Furit Sabam Tomba, said he rushed to the site after the Chowkidar informed him about the incident. I'm really shocked. The miscreant wants to completely abolish this institute, Tomba said.
Ngarang iskun ka bada bo karimbo electric si asoy be laite ba aduna karimbo mai la hawo matam da soy be laite aduna kana mu kharana iskun ji electric lairom dagi thaba mande kharom thangba dagi chal ko oina paw tamme ba aduna masi kana mu masak khang do khangna thaba male na agi wakhanda iskul horok podagi na ek ngasi bokta laibere ko sin lo ni sakra lupa lakh tara muki port organian khanse.
School Chowkidar Amuba said the fire incident was taking place amidst Lai Harawa festival celebrated by locals of Salungfam village. In the meantime, condemning the burning down of Salungfam High School, the lone institute of the village, angry locals and students staged a roadblock in front of the school. More police officer in charge led how Wi-Fi has repaired Lokchau Bridge along Imphal More Road from his own pocket money. The important bridge, which faces heavy traffic every day, had remained in bad condition. The bridge was restored yesterday. The move of More police has been hailed by transporters plying on the National Highway 102 section. Police continued massive manhunt for leader of Kangleipa Communist Party KCP faction TH Nando, who made a daring escape from Ortho Ward of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, on March 26.
KCP leader Thoksom Nando is one of the men accused in the infamous rape and murder of Lungnila Elizabeth. Manipur police has already announced a reward of 1 lakh rupees to anyone who can provide information leading to his arrest. The notorious KCP leader is still on the run from the police. Several suspected places in Imphal East were searched by police this morning. In all, 45 houses in Nongsum village were searched from 5:15 till 6:45 in the morning. The operation was carried out under the supervision of Imphal East Additional Superintendent of Police T.H. Krishna Tombe. Altogether, 95 people were verified and 5 people, including 3 cadres of an underground group who are in bailout, were detained to continue further verification. Mastermind of kidnapping and killings, besides an extortion racket, Nando also holds the distinction of being the longest serving under trial prisoner in Manipur. Separately, police conducted combing operation in and around JNIMS Ponglambi and Mini Secretariat Road. The operation, led by Imphal East Deputy Superintendent of Police Operations Thangkoson Haukiv, began from around 5:20 am and continued till 7:50 am. Police said 725 people were verified during the operation, but no one was arrested. Such operation was also carried out in Imphal City's Majorkul, MZ Avenue, Jalal Provision, Kuyatong Road and Naganala from 5:20 to 8:40 in the morning. Police said verification was conducted on 521 people on the spot, while 21 were detained for further verification.
Various Maira Paibi and students' bodies continue investigation into the March 22nd Utlau Party incident. Apart from adopting several resolutions over it, Poirei Lemerol Maira Paibi Apunba Manipur, All Manipur Students Union MSU and Manipur Students Federation MSF are among the organizations which are looking into the incident wherein guests at the party. Mostly women were abused and assaulted by a mob, which also tried to strike some of them. One of the resolutions adopted by the organizations reads, KAI, a local management company, and Ningthibi, Nagamapal, which organized the Utlau Party, will be banned indefinitely from organizing any kind of social event. All men and women who took part in the party should surrender to the organizations by April 3rd. Reads another resolution. This was informed by Joint Students Coordination Committee convener Ngarianbam Milan during a press meet at MSU office, Imphal. Returning officer of 1 Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency and Praveen Singh has informed through a release today that either postal ballots or election duty certificates are to be issued to those officials or personnel who are on election duty and wish to apply the same so as to enable them to exercise their adult franchise. The Women Against Crime has said no untoward incidents were reported during Thabal Chongba programs held across the state in the just ended Yaksung festival after stringent measures were taken up by the group in collaboration with various local clubs and Maira Paibi organizations. Women Against Crime Secretary Aerobita informed this during a press meet at the office of the organization today.
Adai nusina banupana kautoga rep tawbiramba sumba hatogon domba thabaldagi oiba crimes amta thokire am santi wen loisan kre duga akoina senjaba paujilji masigi bu ikai khumna bot piraga leisabi singna akoi yam ka henna yengba nungai taba browsing lena khidre aduga paktakna na mousing thabal chongba yawbi khidre aduga mama singna su cheksil le aduga leisabi singna thabaldagi thoga nusina banupa sing ko unaba Wario Tai Saba, the Makoi guide to Onga, Hing the Table Young Samina Basumbaze, Amapotona Kidre, Aduna, High Bato Dangsi, Koi Puna Lomina Ganda, Sanction Minakiva Konga Sita Makta, Lamakoi Mara Paibi and the clubs in Dakoi, credit a CPZ to Pauzela Sibu, Sauna Mai Pahanbi with a Koi on Isanimi Makada, secondary Sakiva, Ingo Biam di Pabunguda, the corner Sakiva Manikan, Tamari Tompo Makoi Marina, and Portion Tuna Pausensi, Yawi with the little dance along Winavani, as he couldn't get so Winagani, and Fontosari.
Advisor of Women Against Crime, Sobam Sobita, during the press meet condemned the recent Utlau Party incident and killing of Monica, a resident of Yairipok, Chandrakhong.
Mga hagtangay ribi Yairipok Chandrakhong dagi magi nungsinaba matu masa lairaba nupa mana mabukok thuoga hatok pirambagi thaudosi aikoigi women against crime gi maikai dagi asuki matik yaningdaba phongdok jabaga loinana condemn tawjari loinana ulauda thokiba thaudok adusu aikoigi maikai dagi asuki matik nongaitaba phongdok jabaga loinana matungda asigumba thaudoksing asi thoktanabagi damakta aikoi punna thaudang lominarasi haina aikoigi organization gi maikai dagi koi phongdok jari.
A 42-year-old man was killed following a major road accident that occurred at Thobal Wangzing around 11 last night. The deceased Thinguzam Hemochan of Singzamay Wangmukhetri was riding an Activa scooter which had a head-on collision with a speeding Tata truck. Claiming his life, he died on the spot. A police report said his body was brought to Jenims, Imphal around 2:50 p.m. today for the post-mortem. Body of a man was found floating in water while one woman was found hanging in two separate incidents that took place this morning. According to police reports, an unidentified body of a man was found floating in Kanglapad near North AOC, Imphal at around 7 a.m. Passerby spotted the body, who informed the police. Police later picked up the body and kept it at Rims morgue for identification. On the other hand, a woman was found hanging in a suspicious manner at her own residence at Pisum Oinamlekai under the Singzamay police station this morning. The deceased has been identified as Longzam Babita, aged 47 years, wife of Bormani. Over the incident, Bormani said that he found his wife hanging when he returned home from morning walk today. Reportedly, a case has been filed at Singzamay police station in connection with the incident.
Kanone aina walking chelu halakpai je ada pung tari mutari buka pung tari muta absida aina thong hangdo na hangdok ta budur aina ko khair ka changmane thong je aduma yana ga lerame adu khanna chaina ba du da kemta isa ge beleti ma ga no ai din dab su leti adigi khanna ba chaina ba du da kemta leti.
A team of narcotic affairs and border apprehended two persons with 2 kgs of heroin number 4 from Thobal Athopam around 5:45 last evening. The 2 persons were Mohammad Azad Khan, 45, son of late Nasiuddin from Thobal Moizing Thongzao, and Mohammad Abdul Nur, 58, son of late Mohammad Raza from Yairipok, Ningthomanai. Director of RIMS Dr. Ahanthem Santa Singh and Director of National Health Mission Dr. Soram Manikanta Singh today inaugurated a newly constructed branch of HDFC Bank at Lamphel. The bank will have the same facilities available at other branches across India.
Branch to join for lighting the lamp.
A one-day awareness program on financial inclusion for Digital Village under the initiative of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India was held at Tera Sapam Lekai today. President F. Juvenile Club Sapam Robindro, Senior Manager of HDFC Bank R.K. Priyogopal and State Supervisor of Atiati Maibam Nandakumar were the main guests at the program.
Computer se haina na computer literacy masi basic knowledge se laina na baina koi jaga se ki oina koi panchayat ki oina madu program so pangtok club sin da kusin da mera pai my bills function da panchayat members sin koi pradhan sin koi mayam se function da re har ga madu ki lairi ba koi ki panchayat se ki manu lai me pu mok se koi ki computer award oina na program se pangtok le hairam do porama hai ba se Mangzibility Tongzabang Atani, Adrangasi, syllabus, program, Masiputo Zabse, Mayamna, Sarukia, Masiputo Zav.
The Department of Agricultural Engineering College of Agriculture, Cow Imphal, has organized a 2-day training program on development of value-added pineapple at the conference hall of Cow today. Vice Chancellor of Cow Imphal, Professor M. Premjit Singh, Dean of the College, Agriculture Professor Y. Jakendra, Director of Research, Cow Professor C.A. Srinivasa Murthy, and Director of Extension Education, Cow Professor Ratan Kumar Saha were the main guests of the program. Speaking at the event, Vice Chancellor of Cow M. Premjit said that pineapple farmers should rather make use of the 2 machines available at the university, which cost rupees 1.52 crore for making pineapple juice, and also the mobile vans for marketing and products. He said pineapple farmers should not sell their products on low prices. The program was held with an aim to find out ways to increase income of the pineapple farmers. During the program, Cow also celebrated winning the award of second best performance by Cow Imphal in the country.
Crore amaga 1.52 crore sang na sida kinba jiki pineapple kaptegi powder on top na ba pineapple ki juice on top na ba tomato on ka to na ba da sida wenyo ga made khudong sa samje utagi la pili ba isil na shin shin khudong sa de lobiyo gari chu thajarake pineapple thabiyo kudakta pineapple juice on top you technique moina lointa ani aduga dai value added product loina on top gadi madu akoina branding torakan dai ga asagi songi organization dugi maning ta ko farmers ta ki maning ta on top you.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
The Ramrai Ecotourism Promotion Committee is organizing a fundraising promotion event of music, mountain biking, boating, landscape photography, indigenous food and cultural shows of different communities for the development of the Ramrai Ecotourism Ramrai Village, Manipur State at the theme Calling a Nature Creation on 29th March 2019. Available features: 50 early birds at the event will get entry free ticket. Every photographer, cycle rider and motorcycle rider will get 50% discount on entry at the event. Bring your own cycle to ride on Ramrai track. Bring your own tent for camping and also bring your own still camera for landscape photography. Participate and win exciting prizes for the competitions at the event. Music is the movement of sound that can reach to the soul. Where words fail, music speaks. Lamjingba Jewelry na adom-gidama khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari. Aikhoigi service singdi inat ki oiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari. Singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari. Manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari. Sana asamal khwaidagi nemna lauzari. Nomaizing numitsu adom gi service ta laizari. Ngasimak lengsin birau Lamjingba Jewelry Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbaJewelry@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764293445 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Welcome back after the break. The induction program for January session 2019 of IGNOU Study Center 1709 was held at Jiribam Higher Secondary School today. Principal of Jiribam Higher Secondary School L. Ranjit Kumar Singh, Principal of R.K. Sanatombi Vidyalaya S. Maniton Singh and Coordinator of IGNOU Jiribam Center 1709 T.S. Gagrin Singh attended the event. As part of the program, free books and study materials were distributed to several students. Altogether, 50 students attended the program. Manipur University Students Union MUSU has condemned the spokesperson of Manipur BJP R.K. Ranjan, who is also party's candidate for the upcoming Lok Sabha election, for his remarks on AP Pandey. R.K. Ranjan, during a discussion program of a local TV channel on March 20th, had said that Pandey, the former Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, was not guilty. The statement further states that R.K. Ranjan must apologize to the public about his remarks. The statement also urged the concerned authority to look into the matter. In Manipur, many households living below the poverty line are deprived of benefits provided by the government of Manipur. Pebam Pengdong, who has remained immobile for more than 10 years, is among them.
In Manipur, many households living below the poverty line are deprived of benefits provided by the government of Manipur. Pebam Pengdong, who has remained immobile for more than 10 years, is among them. Yaifakol Meitei Laikai is located on the outskirts of Tingangphai area of National Highway 150 Tidim Road. Pebam Pangdong used to earn his daily wages and also work in the paddy fields of the village chief of Tuilan Khul. He used to live in a rented house in Tingangphai in 1983 and later bought a house at Yaifakol. There, he became a woodcutter and started earning.
So I matangda akhoi ibai mage lo ko yawe sa thara phawatara haina maton phawatara si phangaba matungji matamda phok sangpada chama pi ho trai tar ka sing mon che lok chen na mo rong sang ma mi hele lo ne ando hi later.
During 2008-2009, he sold his buffalo and parts of his property for his wife's medical treatment. He has 5 daughters and 4 of them are married. He has not been able to walk for around 10 years since the demise of his wife. He consulted many doctors and also traditional treatment, but to no use. The couple has lost all their properties while meeting their treatment.
Moi na hare doctor na oi ke masuna pani na se doctor marang kai di ya ri phan bu na hare ani ge behela ma so sam pa ta ri wa daga marana gari mang gi rak se I se kap son na gurgor son na I sma kap ga sma tau ga dum sa le lam pien do le le moi na si de pisal le de to mo aman to na min ma pan ni lam pien le le se da I bottle arata ruka pe sida ahum pa and
Now, the youngest daughter, Sanatombi, aged 22, is the sole bread earner of the family. With the meager amounts she gets from the brick fields she works in, Pedong's family lies below the poverty line but has been deprived of many benefits provided by the government, except for a ration card. Sanatombi can't spare any time to avail such benefits, trying to look after the family. It will be of good deeds if someone with good intention extends help to the family who is in dire need for help.
A Myanmarese father along with his 2 children who spent 6 years in Tezpur Central Jail, Assam under the Foreigners Act for trespassing the border were released today on completion of their detention period, and they were later brought to Moreh and handed over to the Myanmar authority. The trio has been identified as Imam Hussain, son of late Abdul Salam, along with his son Muhammad Haresh and daughter Rafika from Damodar Gaon village of Myanmar. On the opening day of International Symposium of Dance and Music, Traditional Art Forms and World today held at Manipur University today. Governor of Manipur, Dr. Nazma Heptullah said Manipur is known around the globe because of its rich cultural heritage and traditional art forms. During the discussion program organized by Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Notice Reason in collaboration with Manipur University of Culture, the governor further stated that the symposium will encourage the students of the state in preserving their culture and tradition. The event was attended by Administrator of Manipur University, Jarnail Singh, Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, M. Lakshmi Kumar, along with Regional Director of Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Notice Reason and Muniz, and Dean of Manipur University of Humanities, Professor C.H. Yaswanta as the Presidium members. An academic awareness program on effects of substance abuse on the student community was organized by Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada today at Master Sankhe English School, Irilbung Bazaar, Imphal East. Let's take a short break once again.
Hello, good morning sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari no.
Khudong chaba kaya ma pizari. Aikoina phanganjari ba product sing di drugs, deepers, haulage, bus, amasung gensetni. Documents ichang changdana adomi sale amadi matamang handana loan gi khudong chaba pizari. HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance, Amadi, Shriram Finance kasu kuchamna na junction minari. Matik charba, kutsukulai Amadi, crane yauraba. Ekogi sport servicing van, adongi damakta matampung badalajari. Bus sing yon madanatana, school, college, universities, office ki dama contract basis da lawi bagi kudong chabasu thamjari. Amadi, genuine lay parts singsu pangbigani. Adongi mai pakpana, ekogi mai pakpana.
Welcome back. Bharatiya Janata Party BJP National President Amit Shah sounded poll bugle at Kolyabor in Assam's Nagaon district for the ensuing Lok Sabha elections. This is the first campaign rally of the BJP's star campaigner in the state. The BJP National President arrived in Jorhat today forenoon from where he took a helicopter from Kolyabor. Amit Shah was accompanied by Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, State Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, BJP State President Ranjit Das, AGP leader and State Water Resource Minister Kesav Mohanta, among others. A day after the reported disappearance of NPP candidate for Onglengden Assembly by-poll Tinjung C. Longkumar, news of the candidate withdrawing from the by-poll battle has rocked the political landscape in the state. Though his decision was most likely expected, it may be mentioned that the NPP Nagaland State Unit yesterday filed a report with the police on the disappearance of their candidate since March 26. Longkumar, who was missing today, has announced his decision to withdraw from the electoral race and extended support and cooperation to the NDPP candidate Saringen under the leadership of Chief Minister Nefirio and Party President Chingwang Kongyak. Meanwhile, the NPP had noted that the sudden defection of Longkumar to NDPP is very suspicious given the magnitude of the outcome of this by-election, while adding that it has a possibility of directly affecting the incumbent government. The Election Commission of India (ECI) has appointed Special Central Police Observer for Tripura and Mizoram. The Election Department official further added that the Special Central Police Observer would monitor and guide the authority about the deployment of Central Armed Forces and State Forces during the Lok Sabha elections. Tripura will vote for the general elections in 2 phases for its 2 parliamentary constituencies. Polling dates are April 11 and April 18, while polling for the Lone Mizoram Lok Sabha seat will be held in the first phase on April 11. China has accused the US of undermining the authority of the UN Anti-Terrorism Committee by forcefully moving a resolution in the UNSC to list Pakistan-based JEM Chief Masood Azhar as a global terrorist, saying America's move only complicates the issue. The US, supported by France and the UK, has moved a draft resolution in the UN Security Council to blacklist the Pakistan-based terror group's chief 2 weeks after China put a hold on a proposal to list Azhar under the 1267 Al-Qaeda Sanctions Committee of the Council. Chinese Foreign Ministry said that Washington's move only complicates the issue, reducing the authority of the committee as a main anti-terrorism body of the UNSC, and this is not conducive to the solidarity and only complicates the issue. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Congress NPF candidates flag up Lok Sabha poll campaign. Ivobi post BJP's tall claims, questions. Dr. Lorho reaches out with stand on truth call. 6 suspected foreign nationals remanded. Sangma visiting Churachandpur. The People's Chronicle. NPF candidate kicks off poll campaign. Flag hoisting ceremony of NPP candidate held. Siam urges for making Modi Prime Minister again. 8 candidates to bid for outer seat, 11 clear for inner. General Observer Office open. Congress will bring NYAY scheme if voted to power, says Okram Ibobi. Gai Khangam likens Lok Sabha polls to second independence movement. Imphal Free Press. 11 candidates clear scrutiny. Criminal cases pending against 3 inner candidates. NYAY will be implemented if voted to power, says Congress. Women representation in ensuing MP election nil. Flag hoisting ceremony held at INC candidate K. Zem's residence. The Morning Bell. Congress promises 72,000 rupees per annum to poor families if voted to power. Flag hoisting ceremony of Zem's Kasung held. Father of murdered girl demands killers to be hanged in public. Lok Sabha poll. All 11 candidates in inner seat clear scrutiny. Drug smugglers arrested along with 2 kilograms of brown sugar. Security review of 3 states conducted by Operations Group. Manipur Mail. Flag hoisting function of Congress candidate Zem's held. 4 policemen including ASI suspended over militant escaping case. Security review of 3 states conducted. Meeting held to conduct free and fair elections. Mukul Sangma created hurdles for coal dependent, says Conrad Sangma.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. The top stories. Unknown miscreants burn Salungphum High School to ashes in Thobal. Lokchau Bridge on Imphal More Road restored. And KCP leader Nando still on the run, massive manhunt underway. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.